Let's do deep stretches for the arms. You can find something to sit on, you can stand, it's whatever works for you. But we also will be using a product, and the prop is a yoga stretching strap. If you want to use this, Vive Health has some too. You can order it online, or if you have a towel at home, preferably a hand light towel that you can just twist up just like so, it works great. From here, we're gonna start with warming up the arms though. So roll the shoulders up, back, and down. Let's take a deep breath up and exhale down. 2 more times, very good. 1 more time. And then we're gonna reach the arms up to the sky. Imagine you're against the wall and you're pulling back your arms, cactusing them down. Nice, make sure you're not arching the back too much. Inhale, lift, and pulling those arms back. Good. Inhale up and pulling the arms back. Now we're going to place our hands on our shoulders and bring the elbows together, then bring them back and around. Good. 2 more times. 1. Nice. 2. Keep your hands here. We're going to go forward, up and over. 1. Good. 2 more times. 2. And then 3, but keep your hands here. And then we're gonna pull the hands back and open up the chest. Hands come behind your head now. Then you're gonna round and bring your elbows together, drop your chin to your chest. Inhale, lifting up, open up, and exhale, round. Inhale, open, and exhale, around. And then we're gonna reach one hand higher than the other. Again, warming up these shoulders, very important, up and over. Then we're gonna reach in front of us, deep breathing, very good. Now let's reach out to the side, reaching out, good. Then we're gonna bring the arms up, out to the side, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 1 more time, up, and exhale down. Then go ahead with your right hand, place it out in front like you're giving me a high five, and gently pull back 1 finger at a time. You have tendons and ligaments that run all the way throughout here, and you're just stretching everything out because everything is connected. Now drop the wrist down and gently pull the hand again, keyword gently. Then we're gonna go ahead and switch with the left high five in front of you, pulling back gently 1 finger at a time. Very good. Then down with the hand and gently pull in. Then from here, we're gonna grab our wrists and roll around them. Then interlace the fingertips and press out in front, arms reaching forward, shoulders rounding. Then inhale, lifting up, and then over to the side. Inhale up and over to the other side. Then inhale up and back comfortably. Then placing the hands down. Shake out those arms. Very good. Then we're gonna take the right arm across the left side of our body. Make sure you're not pressing on the elbow. It's right here. You can relax or you can make it straight, but try to relax the shoulder down. Good. Deep inhale and exhale. 1 more deep inhale and exhale. Then we're gonna switch arms here. Left arm comes across the body. If you have the capacity of the flexibility in your shoulder, you're gonna pull this left arm in and breathe in towards the shoulder. Very good. 1 more deep breath. Very good. Then we're gonna go ahead and unleash, shake out those arms again. And then from here, we're gonna grab your strap or your towel. If you have little links in it, you can have a little bit more security by grabbing into them, placing your hands in between it, or if you'd rather to hold it on the outside, you can. You can always start close with a loose grip and go out wide, okay? So starting here, and then bend the elbows and maybe move your hands out just a little bit. It may not look like me, it shouldn't because you have your own body, but you should have your elbows at a 90-degree angle, shoulders relaxed and opening the chest. Deep breath, or your elbows can be up here, that's fine, but find what feels best for you and what's okay for your body. You can do this seated or standing, whatever you prefer. Now we're gonna come up and gently do a nice, gentle side stretch over. Inhale up, very good, and over to the other side. Then we're coming back for another deep chest opening here. Very good. Deep inhale, steady exhale. Then inhale, come on up. And then we're gonna go ahead and place the strap behind our back with both thumbs facing outward. So you're gonna take it, bring it behind you, and both thumbs are outward. You can be standing if you are. Bend from your hips with your knees bent. If you are seated, you can be crisscrossed or just like me. It's okay, whatever works for you. Dropping the head down and arms come up and over in the direction towards the front of you. Holding it here, deep inhale and exhale. If you are standing or seated, gently bring your hands back to your bottom and take a deep inhale, lifting up. Now we're gonna keep our hands back here, but notice how the thumbs are gonna go inward towards each other. Find a tall posture. Then we're gonna bend if you're standing, bend with your knees as well, and then hips go down, arms come up and over, head is the last thing down, and you're reaching towards the front. Take a deep breath here, and exhale, give in a little bit more. Then hands come towards the back and bottom. Gently come on up. Very good. Now we're gonna go ahead and place the strap above. You stay here. I'm gonna turn around so you can see me a little bit better, okay? So from here, I'm just turn around, and with my right hand, I'm gonna have the top of the strap or towel, whatever you have. My elbow is facing in. If you don't have a strap, you can do this without, just not grab the strap. Bend right here, and then with your left hand, we're gonna pull down. So the focus is on this right tricep right here. So you're pulling down, not too crazy, but just enough. Relax the shoulders and honor your body. You wanna make sure you're very gentle with your shoulders here. Next, if you can, straighten this right arm up. Watch out for the front left shoulder. If you have any injuries, please don't go too deep in this, nice and gentle. Next, we're gonna walk those hands in towards each other and try to reach towards the fingertips. If you don't need the strap, you can just kink them right here, link them together, or you can hold onto the strap wherever you are. Make sure your head is not pushing forward, okay? So you're nice and lifted tall, your shoulders are back, your elbow on your left arm is down, and your right elbow is facing up. Your body is close, so your arms aren't out here, they're close into each other. Now, very carefully, if you want to do a forward fold, you can. If you're standing, make sure you bend your knees. If you're seated, you can go forward, but just watch out for your left shoulder. It's a really deep stretch there. Then wherever you are, gently sit up tall and slowly come out of it. You might need to lean forward just to help unleash that left shoulder. Let's roll around the shoulders here, nice and easy. Shake it out, shake it out. Now let's do the other side. So from here, the left hand has more on the bottom than the top, towel or strap. We're gonna take this right hand and gently pull down. Make sure you're not protruding forward with that neck. You're pulling down, left elbow is straight facing up and in towards your head. Holding it here. Focus here is the tricep of the left arm. Next, we're gonna gently pull up. Watch out for the right shoulder and holding it here, take a deep breath. Exhale, release. Very good. Then we're gonna walk both hands together towards each other. If you can clasp the hands and release the strap, you can, or you can keep holding onto the strap and just walk your hands closer and closer. Now, this is a really fun stretch to see yourself advance in. If you feel frustrated because you're really far apart, that only means you have so much more that you can practice, and it's a great way to show you deepening your practice by getting better and better, by getting closer and closer to the hands behind you. So do this about 2 or 3 times, or after any time you work out your arms, it's really great for it. Now gently from here, if you want to go forward, you can go forward. Then whenever you're ready, we're all going to come on up and gently unleash the arms. Be very careful for the shoulders and roll around the shoulders. Don't they feel loose and nice right now? Take a deep breath in and out. Shake out those shoulders. And then close your eyes and bring your vision to your shoulders, your intention there. Visually feel them, see them, imagine that they're looser, and notice how you feel. A lot of tightness, physiology-wise gets in these areas too. You just released a lot of stress or a lot of tightness onto your shoulders, just letting them go. Now take a deep breath in. Exhale, go. Good. One more time. In. Exhale, go. Awesome. Let's bring those hands to your heart to find your closure. Take another deep breath of satisfaction coming into your body. And be glad that you released anything that built up. Thank you.